Page 75, number 3. It says, find the area of the triangle. If you get stuck, carefully consider which side of the triangle to use as the base. Let's use what we already know. We know that base times height equals the area of everything. No, not triangles. But it does equal the area of a parallelogram. This is my drawing of a parallelogram. And we also know that if you take a copy of any triangle, you can make a parallelogram. Any triangle can be copied and made into a parallelogram. Here we see two triangles and they make a parallelogram. So that means if we take the base and we multiply it by the height, we get the area of the parallelogram. And then if we divide it by 2, we get the area of a triangle. So base times height equals area of a parallelogram. Any triangle can be duplicated, as in we make a copy of it, to make a parallelogram. So to find the area of a triangle, we do base times height divided by 2 to get the area of just one triangle. All right, so I want to know which one's the base. This one is closest to the bottom, except I don't know how long that is because I cannot just count it. This does not count. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is not 4. I promise you. So I do see another one that is on the line. This one is nice and on the line. And I can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long. The base is 6. If I'm trying to draw the height, remember that we can do a stick figure. There's his legs. And their head needs to go all the way to the top of the triangle. So I want to know how tall this triangle is with a height. The height is going to go like this from the base all the way to the top. And then I can measure that line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Base equals 6. Height equals 4. So I can do 6 times 4 equals 24. And then I can take 24 and cut it in half because 24 tells us what the area of two triangles is. We want one triangle. 24 divided by 2. Half of 24 is 12 square units. "12 square units." If you don't believe me, let's look at another way to see it. We can also cut this triangle like this and make two different rectangles. Here's one rectangle that I didn't make very well. I'll adjust it. Try to adjust it. There's one rectangle. Now we'll do another rectangle. The other rectangle is right here. Now hopefully we can see that they're both cut in half. This one's cut in half like this, and this one is cut in half like this. And we just want 1/2 of each of those to make up the whole triangle. So this rectangle, it's actually a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And we just want this bit, which is half of it. Half of 16 is 8. So this piece of the triangle is 8. Now we're looking at the other part. 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8, but we just want this half. So we take 8 and we divide it by 2, and we get 4. So this part is 4. We want these parts together because we want the whole triangle. So we do 8 plus 4, and we get 12. Same answer as the other strategy.